Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Groupon how to delete account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Before you start, what you need to know is user refund any active Groupon first, and account deletion is permanent and cannot be undone. So in order to delete your account, what you need to do is simply head over and open up the Groupon on your browser by simply typing on Groupon.com on your search bar. Know that the app usually does not allow direct account deletion and you redirect it to the website or support. Then once you're inside here, what you need to do is simply tap on your profile icon on the top right corner of your screen. Then once you're inside the menu, simply scroll down and find customer support right here. Then simply tap on it. And once you're inside the customer support, what you need to do is scroll down, and then once you're inside under managing your account and orders, simply select account troubleshooting. Then once you're inside here, you will find an option that says closing your Groupon account. Simply tap on that, and here what you need to do is you'll find this our privacy portal, which is highlighted in blue. Simply select that, and now once you're inside here, what you need to do is simply select data request. And once you tap on data request here, you'll find an option that says delete all data. Simply tap on that and then follow the on-screen prompts to successfully delete your account. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Give a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.